Hello everyone, this is my video for my Enhancement number 6, and today I'm going to show you my process to log in on how it works for different clients. And now I'm going to log in a user with a level 1. As you can see, the client information is delivered, and the link to product management it doesn't appear. So now I'm going to log out, and it delivers me to the main page. And okay, I don't know why this rating appears when when I log out. And now I'm going to log in as the administrator. It's a client level number 3. As you can see, the client level number 3 has this link to product management, and we can add a product, and this is the new category. So that's it. So I hope you like it.